What's up, IT Ninjas? If you use the Firefox browser and you see the message, updates disabled by your organization, try these steps to allow updates. Open the folder, Program Files, Mozilla Firefox, Distribution, and look for a file policies.json. Make a copy anywhere else. We'll use the desktop. Open Notepad and the file and look for the value disable app update and change it from true to false. Save the file and copy it back into place, overwriting the original file. Now close and reopen Firefox. Let's double check if updates are available. And the function has returned. Thank you for watching, and please hit the like and subscribe button to get future content. If you found this fix helpful, bookmark the channel and link in your browser, knowledge base, or ticket for future use. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Let's ninja fix it.